Hi, I'm Dana, and we're talking about this incredible skincare product line, My Forever Young. And I'm here with three more of my friends. This is Leanne, Connie Lynn, and Caroline. How you doing, girls?
Great. Good.
Loving the products?
Yes.
Oh, well, tell me about it.
Well, the My Forever Young is fantastic. It makes my skin feel nice and soft. And my husband absolutely loves it. He says that I look younger and fabulous.
Well, fabulous is an understatement. Tell us what you do, Leanne.
I'm a wife and mother, and I work at a large retail chain, which makes me work long hours and very stressful.
And being tired and overworked can cause lots of damage to your skin.
Yes.
And tell me what the product did for you.
Like I said, My Forever Young has made my skin feel softer, and it's made me feel more refreshed. One of my coworkers actually told me a few weeks ago that she thought I looked like I'd been getting a lot more sleep and more restful. So it must be the My Forever Young because I'm not doing anything else different.
Right, isn't that wonderful?
Yes.
And did you tell her she could look that way too?
I did. I told her all about My Forever Young and how wonderful it was.
Wonderful. Connie Lynn, tell us about yourself.
I'm a professional singer, so not only do I want to take care of my skin, I want to look good, but with so many anti-aging products, you don't know which one to trust and which has chemicals that you don't know are harmful to your skin.
Right. So how did you find My Forever Young?
It was remarkable. It was really great. At just the first day, I already felt a difference.
Which products do you use?
I used the My Forever Young Revitalizing Skin Cream and the facial cleanser.
And the facial cleanser. And what did this feel like on your skin?
It felt protected, smooth. It wasn't oily or made
Greasy,
it dry.
right.
No.
Connie Lynn, you're a fabulous singer, and I know you wear a lot of stage makeup, and that involves a lot of stripping of skin when you're taking that off because it's rather heavy. How does the My Forever Young help with that?
It keeps everything fresh, and the makeup comes off better, and I don't have to worry that there's residue in the morning. So it's just very fresh and clean and keeps everything soft.
Your skin looks beautiful.
Thank
and
you.
so does yours, Leanne. Beautiful. Caroline, now you're a baby. You're young, but you
17.
started this process young, so it's going to give you some longevity. So you might look young forever. Tell us about the product.
I love them, especially the scrub. It's very good with pores because I do have problems on my nose with blackheads, and I've seen that diminish considerably since I've started it. And the Moisturizer Revitalizing Cream, it's very good. Even though it is kind of an oil-based product, it doesn't make my skin more oily, which I do have a problem with. And it doesn't do that. It works well with my skin type, and I just love the products.
Now you're a high school student,
Yes,
right?
I'm a senior.
A lot of stress.
Yes, ma'am. I have a lot of AP courses this year, and I do an internship at a law firm. So my days are actually the hours of pretty much anyone that works. And I still have to come home to do homework, and I don't have time to do my makeup or hair in the morning. So my complexion is really important for when I go to school without makeup. And it's helped a lot with that.
Well, you have a beautiful complexion, and if you say you had breakouts, they're completely gone.
Thank you.
Ladies, so would you recommend My Forever Young to friends and family?
Absolutely.
For something that's 100% natural and organic, yes.
Yes, I've already recommended it to multiple people.
Solutions for you and My Forever Young. You've heard the stories, the testimonies. These products are really fantastic, and you need to try them. I know they worked for me. The number is on the screen. The website is there. Lots of information on the website that will be good for you, for your health and for your well-being. So call to order.